my friend Na. She is the one who is in charge of all of these nails, but can we just take a look at all of this hair? All of this hair. So we're gonna be filming today. We're gonna do some balayage techniques on her. We're gonna do some color melting. Are you excited?
Very.
All right, perfect. Let's get started. Na wants to still be dark around her face, so she does have darker features. She does not want to be too light. Basically, what she has going on here, we just want to elevate and move it up just a smidge. So where I'm going to start my placement is right around her cheekbone. She does not want a money piece, which is a very unique situation because mostly everybody does want that. She wants it to look like the sun actually did this to her hair. So with the gradients from starting from like her bang area, right around here, bring that down, down, down. And then she wants a little bit more of an elevated balayage in the back. So when she does wear her hair all the way back, you can kind of see that dimension. Right here, you could start to see where her hairline is starting to move forward. And then you could see like a separation right here as to where it lays this way. So you want to be very cognizant of that because this is what's always going to be in her face, this entire section. And it's funny because where her part is, it's not all the way back here. I can see the separation starting right here. So what happens is if her hair moves forward like this, all of this is going to get covered up if you were doing baby lights anyways, because that's naturally where the hair would go unless she was going like that. Do you love your hair?
I love my hair. I love the color.
You look so fantastic. That's a lot of hair. All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Nah, thank you so much for being here. Make sure you follow her on Instagram. It's at Posh by Nah.